Saving money is a goal for many, but the thought of cutting back often brings up feelings of deprivation. What if you could save money without feeling like you're missing out? In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help you build your savings while still enjoying life. From small mindset shifts to clever spending habits, you'll discover that saving doesn't have to mean sacrifice. Let's dive into the first step on your journey to financial well-being. The first step to saving money without feeling deprived is to change your mindset. Instead of focusing on what you're giving up, think about what you're gaining: financial security, peace of mind, and future opportunities. When you view saving as a positive choice rather than a punishment, it becomes much easier to stick with your goals. Remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to your dreams. Having a clear savings goal gives your efforts purpose and direction. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new gadget, or an emergency fund, knowing what you're working toward makes it easier to stay motivated. Write down your goals and keep them visible. This constant reminder will help you make smarter choices without feeling like you're missing out. One of the best ways to save money is to know exactly where it's going. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. You might be surprised by how much you spend on small, everyday items. By becoming aware of your spending habits, you can identify areas to cut back without feeling deprived. Often, it's the little things that add up the most. Automating your savings is a powerful way to build wealth without effort. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account each payday. This way, you save before you even have a chance to spend. Over time, you'll barely notice the difference, but your savings will steadily grow. Distinguishing between needs and wants is crucial for saving money. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's something you truly need or just something you want in the moment. By prioritizing your needs, you can cut unnecessary spending without feeling like you're missing out on essentials. This simple habit can make a big difference over time. Saving money doesn't mean you have to give up fun. Look for low-cost or free activities in your area, like community events, hiking, or game nights with friends. You'll find that some of the best memories are made without spending a lot. By embracing frugal fun, you can enjoy life and save money at the same time. Eating out can quickly drain your budget. Cooking at home is not only more affordable, but often healthier too. Try meal prepping or learning new recipes to make home-cooked meals more enjoyable. You'll save money and might even discover a new hobby in the process. Smart shopping is all about getting the most value for your money. Look for sales, use coupons, and compare prices before making a purchase. Consider buying generic brands, which often offer the same quality as name brands at a lower price. These small adjustments can help you save without feeling restricted. Monthly subscriptions can add up quickly, often without you noticing. Review all your subscriptions, streaming services, magazines, apps, and cancel those you don't use regularly. By trimming these recurring expenses, you'll free up more money for your savings goals without feeling deprived. Impulse purchases can sabotage your savings efforts. To avoid them, try implementing a 2-4-hour rule. Wait a day before buying anything unplanned. This gives you time to decide if you really need the item. Often, you'll find the urge to buy fades, helping you save money without feeling restricted. The cash envelope system is a simple way to control spending. Allocate a set amount of cash for different categories, like groceries or entertainment, and only spend what's in the envelope. This method helps you stay within your budget and makes you more mindful of your spending habits. Recognizing your progress is important for staying motivated. Celebrate small savings milestones, like reaching your first $100 or sticking to your budget for a month. These celebrations don't have to cost money. A simple reward or acknowledgement can keep you inspired to continue saving. Having someone to share your savings journey with can make a big difference. Whether it's a friend, family member, or online community, accountability partners can offer support, encouragement, and new ideas. Sharing your goals and progress helps you stay on track without feeling isolated. Your financial situation and priorities can change over time. Regularly review your budget and savings plan to make sure they still fit your needs. Adjust as necessary, and don't be afraid to try new strategies. Flexibility ensures you keep saving without feeling restricted. Reducing your utility bills is an easy way to save money without feeling deprived. Simple actions like turning off lights, unplugging electronics, and using energy-efficient appliances can lower your monthly expenses. These small changes add up over time and help you save more effortlessly. Doing things yourself can save a lot of money. From home repairs to gifts and decorations, there are many tasks you can handle without hiring help. Not only does this save money, but it can also be rewarding and fun. Look for online tutorials to learn new skills and tackle projects confidently. Buying used items is a smart way to save money and reduce waste. Thrift stores, online marketplaces, and garage sales offer great deals on everything from clothes to furniture Often, you can find high-quality items for a fraction of the price, helping you save without sacrificing quality. Many people don't realize that bills like cable, internet, or insurance can often be negotiated. Call your providers and ask for discounts or better rates. Even a small reduction can add up over time. Don't be afraid to shop around or switch providers if you find a better deal. Marketing emails and notifications can tempt you to spend. Unsubscribe from promotional emails and turn off app notifications that encourage shopping. By reducing these triggers, you'll find it easier to stick to your savings goals without feeling like you're missing out. Planning your purchases in advance helps you avoid impulse buys and take advantage of sales. Make a shopping list before you go to the store and stick to it. This simple habit can help you save money and make more intentional choices. If possible, use public transportation instead of driving. It's often cheaper than owning and maintaining a car, and you'll save on gas, parking, and repairs. Plus, it's better for the environment. Consider carpooling or biking as other cost-effective options. Turning saving into a game can make it more enjoyable. Challenge yourself to save a certain amount each week or find creative ways to cut costs. You can even involve friends or family for some friendly competition. Gamifying your savings helps you stay motivated and have fun along the way. Learning to delay gratification is a powerful skill for saving money. Instead of buying something immediately, wait a few days to see if you still want it. This pause gives you time to consider if the purchase is truly necessary, helping you avoid unnecessary spending. For items you only need occasionally, consider borrowing instead of buying. Libraries, tool libraries, and friends can be great resources. This approach saves money and reduces clutter in your home, all without feeling like you're missing out. Focusing on what you already have can reduce the urge to spend. Practice gratitude by regularly reflecting on the things you appreciate in your life. This mindset shift helps you feel content and less likely to make unnecessary purchases. Visual reminders can keep your savings goals top of mind. Use charts, jars, or apps to track your progress. Seeing your savings grow is motivating and helps you stay focused without feeling deprived. Social media can create pressure to spend by showcasing others' lifestyles. Limit your exposure to accounts that encourage spending or make you feel inadequate. Curate your feed to include content that inspires you to save and live within your means. Sometimes, spending a bit more upfront on quality items can save you money in the long run. Durable products last longer and need to be replaced less often. Focus on value rather than just price, and you'll feel good about your purchases. If you use credit cards or loyalty programs, make sure to take advantage of rewards. Use points or cash back for purchases you'd make anyway, but avoid overspending just to earn rewards. Used wisely, these programs can help you save without extra effort. Many people pay for memberships they rarely use, like gyms or clubs. Review your memberships and cancel those that no longer add value to your life. This frees up money for things that matter more to you. There are plenty of ways to have fun without spending money. Plan outings to parks, museums on free days, or community events. These experiences can be just as enjoyable as paid activities and help you save more. If you have loans, consider refinancing to get a lower interest rate. This can reduce your monthly payments and save you money over time. Shop around for the best rates and terms to maximize your savings. Set up price alerts for items you want to buy. This way, you'll be notified when prices drop, allowing you to make purchases at the best time. It's a simple way to save money without feeling like you're missing out. Ordering takeout or delivery is convenient, but can be expensive. Limit these treats to special occasions and focus on preparing meals at home. You'll save money and likely eat healthier too. Bundling services like internet, phone, and TV can often save you money compared to paying for each separately. Check with your providers to see if you can get a better deal by combining services. If you have space, consider growing your own fruits, vegetables, or herbs. Gardening can be a relaxing hobby and helps you save on groceries. Even a few pots on a balcony can make a difference. Cashback apps and websites can help you earn money back on everyday purchases. Sign up for reputable programs and use them when shopping online or in stores. Over time, these small rewards can add up to significant savings. Insurance is important, but you might be paying more than necessary. Review your policies annually and shop around for better rates. Make sure you're not overinsured or paying for coverage you don't need. Decluttering your home can uncover items you no longer need. Sell these items online or at a garage sale to earn extra cash. Not only will you make money, but you'll also enjoy a tidier space. Setting spending limits for different categories helps you stay on track. Use budgeting apps or simple spreadsheets to monitor your spending and make adjustments as needed. This proactive approach prevents overspending and supports your savings goals. It's important to reward yourself for sticking to your savings plan, but do so wisely. Choose low-cost or free rewards, like a relaxing bath or a walk in the park. This keeps you motivated without undoing your progress. Financial literacy is key to successful saving. Take time to learn about budgeting, investing, and money management. There are plenty of free resources online, including articles, videos, and courses. The more you know, the easier it is to make smart financial decisions. Take time to reflect on how far you've come. Look back at your savings journey and celebrate your achievements. This reflection not only boosts your confidence, but also reinforces your commitment to saving without feeling deprived. Saving money doesn't have to mean giving up the things you love. By making small, intentional changes and focusing on what truly matters, you can build your savings without feeling deprived. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Enjoy the journey and celebrate every step toward your financial goals.